Guys, I gotta install this guy, LMC5 steering column lock module, because I am getting an error popping out and I don't want to get my car stuck and drive only 2 miles an hour. I'll go ahead and talk about that a little bit later. But basically right now I have Jesse, my son Jesse, with me right now. Where is he? Right there. And we're gonna go ahead and install this. This has to go to the BCM area. So first thing we gotta do before we're trying to beat the sun is disconnect the battery, because you don't want electricity going through the BCM. So let's go ahead and disconnect the battery.
Okay.
I like to roll down all the windows, and
there.
even though it has a keyhole, you never know. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Let me get the right size for the battery. You do the loosening.
All right, so
there.
we're gonna just disconnect the ground.
Just the ground only.
Yeah, that disconnects the power to the car, so we won't have a short because we're messing with wires in there. And that'll kill the wire. It sparks okay. It's not pretty, but it sparks.
There.
Oh, yeah, don't touch it. Yep, you want to move it out the way.
So now the ground can't touch.
Yeah, so let me get in here a little bit. I kind of pulled out the. Well, it's tall enough.
Ground's out.
I already went ahead and, let me turn on the light. Went ahead and pulled out the cover here. This is the cover for the passenger footwell. You want to pull this out, and then when you access it or pull it out, now you have access. That's the fuse box, and that's the BCM body control module. And we're gonna do some stuff. He's gonna go in and pull out over here. So I'm gonna have him do it instead of me, because I don't want to get my body underneath. He
now
pushes that tab.
Now I'm
hard. Yeah, you pull that tab. Now you slide it out, and you're gonna. The wires are in your way, right? So you get the cable. So you're gonna have to unplug them.
Yeah.
Yep. Slowly, just take it easy.
I'm going slow.
One at a time. Are you coming out?
Now?
You gotta wiggle it. Huh? Yeah.
How to wiggle it?
The thing's coming out. You just gotta wiggle it harder.
Yeah, I see it wiggling. There I go.
Yeah, you just have to pull it harder. And then get the other ones too.
Yeah.
To remove the relay, which I think I found too, because it was saying it was orange, green, and purple, and white, and that's all the colors right there. Just tight in here because it's behind this, but that's the relay, and that's removing it. Orange, green, purple. I think I hear the click now. Just move it out the way. Okay. You see you see it?
Yep, I can see it on there.
So I gotta take off this one? It says take off this, huh?
Yeah, just the top part only, yes. That one. That's the wire.
How am I taking it off? Just pull it? Oh.
No, it's two locking.
Just pop it off, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
It's two locking things on the side that you need to pull off.
You gotta do it at the same time.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go. See
it's so dark, it's hard to see.
But at least I have the light on too, so you can see.
Right in there, huh?
Yeah. Make sure it's on the edge only, so it unlocks it. So it unlocks it. Yeah, if it can't unlock, don't force it.
That's what I'm doing. Oh, it pushed it.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Yep, it worked.
So look how it goes. Like that, right?
Yep. Yeah, same orientation that's showing. Yep, same orientation.
Orange.
And now you just gotta clip it back on now. Same orientation.
Yeah, now it's locked.
Yep, it can't come off now because I heard it.
Then I get the little blue guy. I'm gonna actually use this brown one.
Yeah.
And cover it. Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. All right. It said 3, right?
Yeah, 3, Dad. What a purple wire is. Yeah.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. That's what it said. Yeah.
No, in the other direction. Okay. From the right.
Same procedure. So, yeah.
There's not a lot of room in here. Then we gotta figure out where the brown one goes, okay?
Yeah. Green wire.
So it's
I forgot where the brown one goes.
okay. I'm at the pink. You said there's a green wire.
Yeah. Yes, it's a green wire.
Where is it at?
Cavity from right.
Second from the right. Top right?
Top right.
Oh, okay. Second from the top right.
Yeah, second cavity from right, so it's top right. Second. This is what it says right here.
Oh, wow. So you gotta take out this guy to do the brown wire, which goes right here. And you gotta get that green guy, dark green, which is diagonal from the one you just inserted. Right here, it's hard to see. This green, 1, 2, 3. So it says optional, but on a low battery thing, people were saying just go ahead and do it. So basically we're buttoning it up. He's putting it on the ground to put on the BCM, this little ground thing for the LMC5. And then I tried to do the brown wire, but I just couldn't get that pin out. No matter what I tried, so hopefully it doesn't need it. It talks about when it's a low battery or something. Put the cover back, and then we're gonna test it. Now it's a service column lock. Well, unfortunately it says pull key, wait 10 seconds still. So yeah, I don't know why, but this wire was this one, I don't know, it was a bear to get out. I have no idea why. Like the other ones are easier, but this one decided to be a pain. But I finally got it. Oh my god. So now brown wire here, cap that one off, and then cut this wire, cap this off, and we should be good to go. Should be. Oh man, this is horrible. Like it says, capped off, the 2 brown wires after it's cut. This is the old green wire, which is the brown wire you're using, and the brown wire is installed in there. So we're just putting this nice and neat away from the board, and then we'll test it out. Hopefully that'll be it. Consistently I've been putting in this key, and it's been doing that pull key. So no pull key, huh? I'm just trying to mess it up. Nope, even with a fast, I think it's worked.